Introducing the Matrice 200 series, DJI's most rugged, reliable, and versatile commercial aircraft to date. Forged by the hands of our top drone engineers, it wields an array of functionality for enterprise users who demand tools that exceed expectations. A newly designed dual battery power system supports up to 32 minutes of flight for maximum airtime with a single gimbal. State-of-the-art aerial imaging is yours for the taking through native support of DJI's industry-standard gimbal technology. Load it up with the Zenmuse X4S, X5S, Z30 zoom camera, or the XT thermal imaging platform. With an onboard FPV camera, pilots have a real-time view in front of the aircraft to navigate confidently through complex environments. When it comes to gathering critical intel, 2 eyes in the sky is better than 1. The Matrice 210 gives you the power of mounting 2 gimbals at once. Maximize efficiency by flying 2 cameras side by side for capturing different types of image data at the same time. You can now mount a camera on top of the aircraft for inspecting vital infrastructure in all those hard-to-reach places. For rough weather, we've added IP43 ingress protection that shields your aircraft from the elements. The M200 was born to traverse rugged terrain thanks to its compact foldable design, so you're hitting the sky within minutes of arriving on site. 2 batteries provide power redundancy that ensures reliable operation in a wide range of environments, and a self-heating function keeps them operating even in sub-zero temperatures. With DJI's flight autonomy system, most concerns about safety and reliability are a thing of the past. An upward-facing time-of-flight laser sensor recognizes objects above the aircraft. Stereo vision systems detect obstacles down below and in front of the aircraft. The M200's ability to sense and avoid obstacles makes close proximity inspections faster, easier, and safer. With the Matrice 210 RTK, your aircraft gains centimeter-level positioning accuracy, thanks to DJI's DRTK GNSS high-precision GPS technology. DRTK also boasts resistance to magnetic interference for commercial flight missions near large metal structures and electromagnetic fields. The DJI Matrice 200 series. High-performance aircraft with the reliability and versatility fit for any mission, no matter how tough.
The all-new DJI GS Pro, also known as Ground Station Pro, is a specialized solution created to meet industrial demand for the highest levels of reliability and efficiency. Through the automation of complex flights, high-precision aerial imaging such as surveying and mapping can now be achieved by pilots without extensive dedicated training. 3D Map Area. Mapping an area from the sky requires a drone to capture images and a computer to generate point clouds and 3D data. Previously, this required precision measurements of the drone's altitude and calculation of the photo overlap ratio based on the camera's resolution. GS Pro automates this process by generating the flight route and calculating the photo points, using user preferences to understand the parameters of the camera being used. Simply define the area to be mapped by tapping on the screen or using current flight position information. Select the camera being used from a pull-down menu, and the system will automatically calculate the altitude and route based on the required resolution and overlap ratio. Pilots can choose to hover during photo capture or to capture photos while flying at a constant speed, depending on the needs of the shoot. The 3D data captured in 3D Map Area mode provides insight for a range of scenarios, from disaster simulations to sediment volume estimations on construction sites. 3D Map POI. Structures above a certain height, such as skyscrapers, are particularly difficult to survey through ground photography, as the amount of available data decreases as the structure gets taller. However, circling a tall structure at altitude allows for the capture of enough accurate visual data for 3D point cloud generation. Using the 3D Map POI function, once a pilot has selected the structure type, resolution required, and the overlap ratio, the system will automatically calculate the flight route required. Data captured in this way is ideal for yield checks, structural inspections, and construction plans. Virtual fence. Some areas of a site may be considered no-fly zones. In these cases, selecting virtual fence allows the pilot to designate a specific flying area either on the map or using their current flight position. Setting the maximum speed and altitude further increases control and is also useful during flight training. Waypoints. Waypoints can be set for fully automated flying, offering precision altitude and speed settings. At each waypoint, up to 15 actions can be programmed, making it completely customizable for the specific needs of each project. This capability would be useful for creating a safe route for delivering relief goods in the event of a disaster. Through the use of GS Pro's many functions, pilots are able to meet the exacting needs of many industries, from surveying to inspection to disaster relief and many more. DJI GS Pro is a comprehensive aerial solution for today's commercial drone pilot.
Deep passion for uncompromised image quality is the simple philosophy behind the ZenMuse X7. Together with the Inspire 2, it marks the next evolution in DJI's aerial imaging technology. The Inspire 2 has become a standard aerial platform used on film sets around the globe. The new ZenMuse X7 transforms it into the world's first fully integrated aerial platform featuring a Super 35mm sensor for video recording. The X7 offers video resolution of up to 6K. The high resolution not only provides incredible detail, but also allows reframing. The RAW and ProRes codecs integrate seamlessly into industry-standard post-production workflows. 14 stops of dynamic range enhance grading flexibility by preserving detail in shadow and highlight areas. The large sensor also enables filming with a cinematic shallow depth of field and low image noise. An ISO range of 100 to 25,600 makes it suitable for use in all lighting situations. The new DJI Cinema color system consists of two parts: an updated D-Log curve for extended dynamic range, and a D-Gamut RGB color space for preserving maximum color information.
When I first took a look at this X7 footage, it really has a color fidelity there. So the dynamic range of colors that it can reproduce, and I can push the grades around pretty hard, and I still don't get noise with this camera.
The superb picture quality of the ZenMuse X7 is an asset on every film set. A new EI mode makes it easy to match with different cameras used for TV series, commercials and documentaries, as well as for feature films. DJI also proudly introduces the world's first aerial lens mount system, the DL mount. The ultra-short flange distance allows a compact lens design. DJI offers 4 prime lenses specifically built for the X7, with focal lengths of 16, 24, 35 and 50 millimeters. Made with carbon fiber, they're lightweight and durable. The advanced optical elements deliver brilliant image quality. The X7 also captures stunning DNG RAW or JPEG still pictures with a resolution of 24 megapixels. With its sturdy build, the X7 was made for professional cinematography and ambitious aerial stills photographers. It replaces large and difficult-to-use aerial solutions even on high-end film productions.
When I think of the X7, I just think of just the endless amount of possibilities that cinematographers and directors can craft their movie with shots that they may not have even thought was possible before.
The Zenmuse X7 is a top-of-the-line professional filmmaking tool, making it possible for creators to focus on capturing their unique vision of the world. A world that now looks better than ever before.
Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
Aerial photography has revolutionized the way professionals capture the world. To see your vision crystal clear from anywhere, you need a device that shines under any sky.
I'm a travel vlogger and I spend most of my time on the road. I love to capture amazing view, and for me it's torture to be under the sun. With the Crystal Sky Monitor, I can see the screen clearly in the strong sunlight and capture all of the wonderful moments.
DJI's Crystal Sky monitors are expertly designed for outdoor aerial imagery. 4 times brighter than typical mobile devices, Crystal Sky helps you to see your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight.
I'm an aerial cinematographer as well as a surfing coach. When my athletes are in the water, I like to use a drone so I can get a close-up of their performance and then use that footage later to do a video analysis. When working under direct sunlight, I find it very difficult to see the screen. I've tried many different monitors, but none of them truly satisfy my needs. The Crystal Sky monitor is exactly what I've been looking for. Even when it's over 40 degrees, it still operates flawlessly and I can see the screen clearly.
我是一个影动摄影师，我用30多年的时间在这个领域去追寻和探索。因为有了无人机之后，让我多了一个视角，就是飞鸟的视角，来记录影动的栖息地的这样的环境。我大多数的时候呢都在野外，在野外这样的环境当中。你充电是不太容易的，所以呢，你的设备能持续工作的时间这是非常重要。现在最新的这个大疆的高亮屏出现了，因为每一块电池能支持5个小时嘛，所以你多带几块电池的话，支持你的拍摄能支持2-3天。
I'm an adventure filmmaker, often exploring in remote locations, and filming on icebergs is one of my passions. Locations where the temperatures are really very low, to the point where you can't even feel your fingers anymore. Average monitors don't perform well in sub-zero temperatures, and battery life is significantly decreased. But with the Crystal Sky monitor, even if the temperature drops to 20 degrees below zero, it still performs perfectly.
Crystal Sky's optimized decoding provides smooth real-time video transmission with minimal latency. With an operating temperature range of -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, Crystal Sky performs well, even in the most extreme environments, offering users the freedom to create anywhere.
The Crystal Sky's dual micro SD card slot design is a professional feature that I've always wanted. I can directly play my footage back on the monitor, and I can copy what I want from one SD card to the other.
With multi-format decoding, video can also be output through multiple built-in ports, such as HDMI and USB.
今天给大家展示的是我们拍摄的一个成果，就是我们昂赛的明星物种雪豹。雪豹在那高亮屏呢，还有一个功能呢，就是可以通过这个 HDMI 线呢和投影相连。那这样的话，你就能很方便的来分享之前的这个视频和图片。
Crystal Sky handles well the sun, coldness, heat. For me, it's indispensable.
Professionals can choose between 7.85-inch and 5.5-inch models, which are compatible with various DJI products. Photographers can now see perfectly and go wherever creativity takes them with DJI Crystal Sky.
Two years ago, DJI teamed up with FLIR, the world leader in innovative imaging systems, to bring thermal data to a new generation of pilots. The partnership gave rise to the ZenMuse XT, a highly sensitive thermal camera that enabled drone operations for everyday firefighters, emergency responders, agronomists, inspectors, and more. To enhance the capabilities of these new pilots, DJI and FLIR are back again to bring you the ZenMuse XT2. The ultimate thermal imaging solution that packs twice the power through a dual sensor configuration, pairing a radiometric thermal sensor with a 4K visual camera. The XT2's dual sensor setup lets pilots do more in less time, collecting easily comparable visual and thermal data in a single flight.
Utilizing the XT2, we're able to rapidly assess every solar panel on our project, while simultaneously monitoring structural components and the environment as well. The dual sensor capability is a game changer. It provides all the data we need to schedule site maintenance in one flight, significantly increasing our productivity.
Working behind the dual sensors is a set of processors that enable the XT2's machine intelligence. This onboard intelligence gives pilots a host of smart features that turn the XT2's vast stream of thermal data into actionable insights, even while the drone is flying. Never miss the heat with Temp Measure, allowing pilots to get detailed temperature data in real time. Quickly interpret this complex thermal information with FLIR MSX technology and isotherm controls, letting you overlay visual data on top of thermal imagery and fine-tune your real-time view.
It's very important for us to be able to confirm quickly what we're seeing on the thermal view. With these new real-time visualization settings, we can immediately interpret this aerial data and quickly make detailed tactical decisions on how to proceed with our rescue operation.
Maintain safety in challenging flight scenarios. The XT2 automatically locks onto the highest temperature within the frame with Heat Track, or any desired object with Quick Track, giving you the freedom to focus on the mission at hand. Immediately identify what's important with Temp Alarm, alerting you of any objects exceeding a set temperature limit.
When inspecting our equipment, it's important that we identify overheating components prior to failure. With the XT2's advanced radiometric settings, we're able to fly in close and scan the area in detail for any potential hazards. After a few adjustments on the DJI Pilot app, the XT2 will alert us if there's a component that requires maintenance.
Fly in more situations than ever before. When combined with an M200 series drone, XT2 pilots can see in low light conditions and fly confidently despite a strong breeze or light rain.
Search and rescue often comes down to finding a needle in a haystack. Using these machine intelligence features, we're able to pick out things that are above 95 degrees. In this case, it's body temperature, and we're able to find those things and have the alarm go off and alert us. The XT2 allows us to save time, and when we save time, we save lives.
Whether it's flying high for inspections of solar panels or saving lives on the ground with rescue teams, the XT2 sets the industry standard through a combination of powerful sensors and onboard machine intelligence to give you meaningful results. Welcome to the next generation of aerial imaging.
What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The new Phantom 4 Pro has all this and much more. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture, mechanical shutter, and large 1-inch sensor, coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Record cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using burst mode. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series.
The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos of the lava when it's darker out and the glow of the lava is coming off of it. The image sensor that's in this camera now is 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixels. That extra dynamic range allows me to really get everything into one shot, and in the landscape, that's extremely important.
See your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI LightBridge technology. It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz transmission at takeoff, cutting through the noise for more reliability.
The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Pro is so bright. I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight, and that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture.
ActiveTrack has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. TapFly has also been improved, adding reverse TapFly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying the Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors. Combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides, the Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased to 30 minutes. When it comes to speed, the Phantom 4 Pro is 10 miles per hour faster with full support of its obstacle sensing systems. With its stunning camera, 1-inch sensor, ultra-bright monitor, obstacle sensing, and intelligence, the Phantom 4 Pro brings professional quality aerial imaging and flight capabilities to more pilots around the world.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself. Removable sticks sew right inside for an ultra-low profile. Proclaim your individuality with multiple color options and a full suite of accessories. Mavic Air redefines power and portability in a way that only DJI could make possible. And with the Mavic Air in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.